Tutorial number 8. Supports systematic anchors. Open the file of tutorial number 7. Save it as tutorial number 8. Select the situation number 2. Clone the situation number 2 and rename it as Shotcrete plus bolts. In the new situation number 3, activate the systematic bolts. Then, add an anchors pattern by assigning the horizontal spacing, the vertical spacing, the trend, the plunge. The anchor's plunge is referred to the slope. 0 degrees means normal to the slope. Positive plunge means drilling downward. Input the properties of the anchors, that is, total layout, bond length, yield strength, pretension. You can also use the Anchors Assistant to define the anchor's parameters. Choose the expansion shell bolts type. Input the steel strength grade. Input the bolt diameter. Save and run the analysis. Then, examine the result. The bolts increase the safety factor to 1.862.